guys, okay, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. Right, so judging from the background, you should know this is not a DIY, okay, because our car has broken down already. Alright, so I mean it's a Beamer, you know. So but anyway, okay, what happened was, okay, we washed the car very nice and clean on a Sunday morning, you know, so it was perfect, you know. The weather was good. Right, so we actually went to have lunch, okay, and after that the car actually just broke down. Okay, in the beginning my wife was driving it, so Esther was driving it, so it suddenly broke down. So I was like, hey, you jinxed it, you know, let me drive. So when I got on the car, right, it actually started well and it drove well. So we were going on the way to our office, okay, and at the ramp when we were going up, right, it just died. Yeah, and it did not start again. I mean it cranks, but it did not start. Right, so we do not know what to do about it. Okay, and it's time for the professionals to kick in, because I mean I have a bit of knowledge in DIY, but not everything. You know, when something breaks down, and there are sometimes that I don't know everything. Alright, so guys, okay, today we're at the garage. Okay, it's Car's Garage at Kaki Bukit at Auto Bay. Right, so we'll be showing you what went wrong and what's the repairs, and there's some bonus, okay, because I'm changing some parts as well. Right, so for those of you who are new here, please remember to like and subscribe, okay, and we'll have more videos like this coming up. Alright, not so much of breakdown videos, okay, of course, more DIY videos. Alright, so let's go!